Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. First, open your browser and go to DoorDash.com or open the DoorDash app if you prefer using your phone. Scroll down and click on Account at the bottom of the page. Under Account Settings, select Payment Methods from the menu. Here, you'll see options to add PayPal, credit, or debit cards. Click Add New Payment Method and choose credit or debit card. Enter your Visa gift card details manually, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Or use the scan options if it's available. If your Visa gift card doesn't work, go back and select Redeem Gift Card. Enter your gift card PIN, then click Redeem to add it to your account. And that's it. That's how you use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.